Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to do a quick little video clip of what my kitchen looked like before and after the installation of this high density foam crown molding. So if you want to check out this awesome product, I left the link down in the description below for you. Crown molding definitely adds a new elegance to any kind of room, whether it may be a dining room, living room, or bedroom, or even a kitchen like this one here. But I recommend this stuff because it's a lot cheaper than going with a different material such as wood or PVC. This polystyrene or high density foam material is very easy to work with. You can definitely cut it just like wood, sand it, and paint it just like you would with regular crown molding made out of wood or PVC. The best thing about it is it's very lightweight and it's very easy to conform this foam around uneven surfaces on the ceiling and on the wall. Mounting the crown molding was a breeze. It was easy to do because I used some double back taping, and then all the joints I combined with either caulking, super glue, or all-purpose plaster. After I mounted the crown molding, all I had to do was just use some caulk and go around the top and bottom seams and in the corners. And for the paint, I decided to go with a Bare Premium Plus white semi-gloss paint. It really adds a nice little sheen and it makes it really pop out on the top of the ceilings and against the contrast of the wall color. So especially with my color being red, this white really stands out. The main tip I have for you today is that whenever you're getting ready to mount this crown molding, it's best to cut all your pieces and make sure you measure them twice and make sure everything fits properly. And you can use some double back taping, just a small amount, and just have enough on there to where you can mount and dry fit everything up there, but don't permanently mount anything until you have everything all fitted. So this part of the room was the most difficult, so I had to mess around with 7 different pieces, and I just put enough double back taping on there just for it to be a little bit tacky so it can stay on the wall and I can manipulate all the pieces. So as you can see here, I'd put one piece at a time, play around with the angles, make sure that all the joints seat properly, and then after a little playing around, it comes out nice and even, just like this. But once you're actually finally ready to mount it, then you can put a long strip of double back taping so that you get the best adherence, and you can go ahead and caulk it and permanently mount it. Crown molding can definitely give your home a nice finished look and an upscale appearance. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.